mercy. The most powerful computer on earth.
Hello guys, welcome to Brightstar channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe right now, okay? We don't talk so much, let me see this sexy baby. Alright, this is MSI GE66 Ryzen. First, we take a look about the specification. It using 15.6-inch Full HD with 240Hz high refresh rate, and processor is using i9 10th generation 10980HK, and RAM is using 32GB DDR4 3200MHz, and graphic card is using the latest RTX 2070 Super 8GB DDR6, and it have 1TB NVMe PCIE SSD. For this laptop, the most unbeatable parts is the battery. It's using 99.9 watt battery, so it can last up to 7 hours continuous using. Whoa, this is amazing. It is highest at the moment in gaming laptop. Let's talk about 5 special points of this laptop. First point, this time GE series no longer using black color painting design. It is using same as GT76 design to show the high specification. Second point, the speaker is using Dyna Audio, world class audio. It's just like bring a singer back home to open concert. Point number 3, this specification basically is open hub for all the desktop users. Why? Intel i9 32GB RAM is using RTX 2070 Super graphic card. Build what desktop? No need lah, just go for this. Point number 4, MSI RGB Matrix Light. Look at it, very cool man. Point number 5, the Cooler Boost 5. Why say so? Look at yourself. The Cooler Boost 5 have so many heatsink pipe, and plus the RAM and SSD also come with the heatsink. Bro, don't play lah. This laptop nothing to choose already. Buy what desktop? Got this you can fight for 10 people already, okay? Look at this coolest LED, sport car design. Still got audio jack, Type-C, USB 3, charger port, HDMI, LAN port, Type-C, mini display port, USB, 2 USB port with 1 SD card reader. This laptop still got 2 options for specification. One is for RTX 2070 Super. The price is 11,999. The second option is RTX 2080 Super. The price is 15,999. If you want to buy, just go below link to buy it. I will put the voucher code over there to let you to purchase. Remember, if you haven't subscribed my channel, remember subscribe now. Later, I have no job because of you. Bye.